Today we're reviewing the Xero add-on Receipt Bank. Now, Receipt Bank is the most well-known add-on for Xero, and for good reason. Basically, Receipt Bank is a way of processing all your receipts and invoices and having them stored in one place and automatically sent across as a purchase invoice into Xero. This saves you loads of time, loads of effort, and also is a really good storage point for your invoices. You can submit your invoices and receipts to Receipt Bank via the post, email, an app. You know, there are so many ways of getting it across. It really does make it nice and simple. So what do we like? This add-on saves you bucket loads of time. It means you don't have to spend hours picking out invoices and entering them into Xero. Receipt Bank does that for you. It extracts the data from your invoices and your receipts and posts and tells you where they think it should be posted into Xero. Then once it's published to Xero, it's a draft purchase invoice and you can review it and then publish it to Xero literally with a click of a button. Couldn't be simpler. It also reduces the chance of error. When you enter loads of invoices manually in one go, the chances of you making a mistake can be quite high. As the information from this, as I said, is extracted, the chances of, the payment amount or the contact that you would have in Xero being right is much greater than if you were to do it yourself. Another thing we like is that all your purchase invoices and receipts are stored in one place. This means, if it's perfect, so if you've got emailed invoices, receipts, that'll all be in one place instead of, saved in Dropboxes, saved in manual files, printed off, basically all over the place. This is one place for storing everything. It makes it simple. What could be better? Well, sometimes it can take them a bit of time to process the items. This is understandable, I guess. If you've got a tatty receipt from, petrol or something, it might take some time to extract the information because they might have to look at it manually. So if you're wanting to reconcile your bank quickly or get everything up to date in Xero, at times this can be a little frustrating. Another thing is that in Xero, we always want all the contacts to be called the same name. Otherwise you end up with duplicate contacts, which can be really annoying and isn't good if you're trying to work out how many sales or purchases you've had to a particular contact. Now, because the information is extracted automatically, sometimes they can make a mistake with the contact. So for example, say you have Tesco saved in Xero as a contact. If you got a receipt from Tesco.com, it would record it as Tesco.com in the contact section, when in fact in your Xero it's Tesco. So that's just another thing to be aware of, and it can get a bit annoying. So frequently you then have to go through your Xero contacts and merge them and make sure everything's up to date. So pricing wise, pricing is based on the average number of transactions processed per month. And starts from £9.99 plus VAT per month for 50 transactions and rises to £190 plus VAT for 675 items. The price also varies for single user or multi-user. Basically, unless you're a business with very few transactions, this is an add-on that all businesses can benefit from. It might not be the cheapest add-on, but think of the countless hours saved in admin alone. If I was to recommend one Xero add-on that would benefit the most businesses, this would be it. With Receipt Bank, you also get a free 30-day trial. This means that you can test things out and see how you like it. Ultimately, we really recommend it.